Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Arlo Secure login for subscription features, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Arlo's official website. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login option typically located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the Arlo Secure login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. Ensure that your credentials are accurate to avoid any login issues. If you opted for two-factor authentication, a verification code may be sent to your registered mobile device. Check your phone for the message and enter the code in the provided space. After filling in your credentials and verification code, click on the Login button to access your account. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your Arlo dashboard. From here, you can explore various subscription features available under your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. You can also try resetting your password by clicking the Forgot Password link on the login page. Following these steps will help you authenticate and access all subscription features offered by Arlo Secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.